mood board, you absolutely nailed our concept. Look, we've had an idea to remove the wall. Everybody agreed with it, and I said, do we need another 3D image? And everybody just said, no, just go with it.
Hello, my name is Arif and I'm the founder and principal of �𝐸ℐ𝐸ℐ𝐸ℐ entity. Today I'm excited to take you on a captivating journey to the BAGHA Club Bar Renovation. Joining me, Mr. Peter, the director of the club, and Mr. Julian, the chairman of the club. Together, we will explore the concept, challenges, and the intricate detail that have made this bar truly special.
It's a much different room. When people walk in who've been to the original BAGHA and they walk in here now, I sometimes sit here and watch their faces as they walk through the door, and it is a mood board. You absolutely nailed our concept, which was wooden floors, wood effects on the walls, and just the many ideas that were incorporated into this mood board. Everybody in the committee liked them as soon as they saw them. Agreed in that committee meeting that you would go away, take your ideas, your concepts with our blessing, and generate some detailed drawings with a view to then sending back to us some 3D images so that we could decide on the option, and of course cost would come into it, and once we had the 3D views on some costs, we could take it forward to the next stage. But I think all the decisions we made, including knocking one of the major walls down in the club to make the bar into a much bigger space that I think everybody now is really enjoying. The old BAGHA was very much darker, yeah. And one of the reasons it was darker was that wall. We decided to do away with that wall very late in the day. I think you were starting work maybe 2 days later. And of course, when we demolished the wall, we found some reinforcement in it, and we had to have a bit of a time out and decide whether we could. Look, we've had an idea to remove the wall. Everybody agreed with it, and I said, do we need another 3D image? And everybody just said, no, just go with it. Change things from the original idea to a new idea. But I think in the main, most of the decisions we've made that have been supported by you have been the right decisions. I think everybody's really happy with the end product. And I think having your guys on site every day, you know, your site team, your project manager at the end of the phone, obviously that's been a big advantage.
One thing that I wasn't sure about was renovation of existing furniture. I mean, I understood about making new ones for the bar stools, but I thought, are we really making a mistake? But actually, it has been done very well.
Yeah.
Can we do this? Can you slightly change that? And that piece of wood along there isn't quite the right. That's not exactly the same as that piece of wood, and so I mean that was a great advantage. Zero Inch came up with other ideas, like particularly the stucco paint decoration, which we had no knowledge about, and then overnight it suddenly was there, and then we said, oh, we should have it everywhere where there is a wall. So
very effective.
So very, very good.
Yeah, there were a lot of things that we didn't think about, but you took into consideration even when you're doing the 3D image.
Thank you both for your kind words. Working on BAGHA Club bar renovation was an exciting experience or enriching experience for us. It is truly satisfying to see the club members embracing and enjoying the renewed ambience. Thank you all for joining us on this journey.